custom truck we've been working on. We fabricated the record part of some of our older videos, and this is called the custom truck. So with this, I want to put my Giuseppe's Garage logo on it and bring it to car shows. Today, we're going to go get some parts off of a 1954 Buick parts car that we have. I need the door handle on the inside of the car, I need the mechanism, and I need to make it fit on my custom truck. Because the ones that are on this one, they're too modern looking.
We need wipers.
I know.
I gotta see if I can get wipers. Bosch is a good wiper. K&N is like one of the top. You know, they're making wipers, they're making all kinds of stuff now.
Yeah.
These things, they sat in front of the sun for like a half hour and they started this crap. Maybe there's a possum or something. Hang on.
Look, they tried pulling the dent with that tool that you have to drill a hole through, and you screw it in and they pull. That's what that's from.
Yeah.
This one we gotta take off. Loose too. This is the piece we gotta take off right here. Okay, that's one.
Bring everything to the other side.
Stripped.
The Phillips head part?
Yeah.
I figured this was gonna happen. Let me see.
Got it?
Just turn. All right, give me the hand. Here, hold this. Yo, I knew this kid.
My dad has a story for everything.
When we were going to like technical school and stuff,
yeah.
It was more to get out of high school than anything else. And when he had to hit something with a hammer, you know what he used to do? Instead of hitting it, right? He used to go. And when he used to get real mad, because we used to make fun of this, like, what are you doing? He used to get all mad. He goes, "Shut up!" That's a true story. He didn't have many friends. Look, see?
Oh!
It was rotted.
Yeah, that's it. And that's
okay,
that.
all set. And you got them all both off? That's it.
Yep.
Yo, look at this. We got to come get some parts off this.
What, the Ford?
46. Got mushrooms growing over here in the back. What the hell is all this? Ooh. Did you know moss shows you where north is? Moss will only grow facing north. That's north, this way. Come on.
This Ford still has a flathead in it, which we're going to want to take out of it. Same thing with the Buick. This has a nail head. We want to put this engine in my custom truck.
Look at this. There we go. You got a handle. At least we can start working on the truck.
All right. That's good. Got what we need. Done deal, baby. Now that we're back at the shop, we're gonna hold it up to the door and see what it looks like. Now, we are trying to get all the 80s vibes out of the truck. Now, which one looks better? This that you pull, or this that you twist. I'll show you what it looks like on the truck. Come here. This we'll put here, right? And this rod, we'll make it longer and reach down to here, so that when you pull, you can see the bottom part. Look, see? It turns, and that's what opens the door. So that's what it's gonna look like. I'll show you how it turns out later.